Hi all, we are here from Yes Vidya, back with one more video on South Korea. Yeah, all of you know that we have our workshop on South Korea scholarship on 4th of November. So again I tell you, fasten your seatbelt and wait for the day and register yourself because seats are very limited. But as I told you, today I will not speak of scholarship. I will speak about South Korea. As a traveler, I think everybody, though it is not one of the highest or most dreamt of destination for tourists, but yeah, you must in one lifetime go to South Korea. So I will start with that. So how much will it cost, if you want to go to South Korea? So basically, what you have to do for an average traveler, it is almost a budgeted traveler. It will be maybe 1 lakh for the whole 7 days trip. Yeah, I'm excluding the your ticket fare and all that. I can't tell you because if you buy the tickets maybe 2 months or 3 months back, you get a discount and maybe you have those points in your Make My Trip or anywhere else, any site or any flight, Emirates or wherever. That's up to you. But in South Korea, a per day, if you want to spend it nicely, it will be 100 USD maybe per day, 100 to 150 USD. And what more detail I can give you? Why you should visit? There are plenty of reasons. I will give you one today because it has a long history. You can still watch the Korean dance and music performances while people love to dress in traditional clothes, and that is known as Hanbok. You can rent it also and wear it around Seoul. For example, even in modern Seoul, you can still find traditional Hanok house neighborhoods with lovely tea houses that have been in existence for decades. Yeah, you can wear your hanbok and roam around a Hanok village. The mix of the old and new is truly fun to explore traveling in South Korea. So the number one reason is to visit a Hanok house and wear a hanbok. Of course, scholarship and registration is there. Don't miss your registrations. Thank you.